Hi guys, it's Junior Omega, and today I'm here with Brandon and Princess Caramel. That's Brandon. Y'all know that's Princess Caramel. And T-Rex. That's T-Rex, but today we're mad with him, so he's not filming this video. But so today we're gonna teach you how to roast, and Brandon is gonna record. So if someone asks you for a roast battle, the best jokes you need to know is jokes like, "You're not my boss." I didn't even say that. Hold on, there's a little. Hold on, keep pause. Hey, so, hey, keep
So what happened? Is you being mean?
Yeah.
But come out here. Are you being mean?
Okay.
If you're being mean, no one's
Did you
gonna
pause
want to
it?
spend time with you. You need to apologize.
Sorry.
Well, Nevaeh, do you accept his apology?
Yeah. He didn't
Are you
apologize.
gonna be nice?
He didn't apologize.
He just did, Johnny. What is he supposed to have, Johnny? Tell Johnny you're sorry, bud. You really mean it.
We're sorry too.
You don't hit people with sticks, Bryce, and if I hear about that again, you're going to be grounded for an entire day. And that's not funny. You want it to be longer? Don't laugh. It's serious. You need to be nice. If you want your friends to be nice to you, you got to be nice to them. You're going to be nice if you're being mean. And if you're mean again, come let me know, okay?
Okay.
Guys, I was filming the whole time.
He was filming it. He laughed. So guys. Now can I post it? Oh, sure. So, next insult is, you stink so bad that a sewer rat smells better than you.
Dab on him. Dab, Nevaeh. Dab,
And we
Nevaeh.
take a dab.
Dab, Johnny.
And now we got T-Rex joining us. Hi. Okay, so our next one is, you're so tall that your head could fit in the spinning cloud.
What about your head so big, it's bigger than a hurricane?
Ooh, okay, yeah. Brandon came up with that joke.
What about your head is so big, it's bigger than an F5 tornado?
Ooh. Lean back. Lean back. Oh, wait a minute.
What
I'm
about
not his
your
name.
head is so big, it's bigger than Earth, Jupiter, Mars put together.
Ooh. Okay, guys. And let's
Oh, you
okay.
your mom? No, not
No mama jokes.
But so bad that when
If this is a short person, you should say you're so short that an ant is a giant to you. And you're so weak that a feather is stronger than you. You're softer than a pillow.
But are we gonna do it again? Are we just making noises?
Okay.
So much the vlog hates you.
Oh.
Okay.
Good job, Bryce.
This guy is the roasting king over here.
What
He
did
did
he
not
say?
play.
Say it again, please. We don't get mad. Come on, just say it. Okay, fine. Since he's kind of shy, he said you stink so bad that the vlog hates you.
Oh,
That was good. That was a good one.
Okay.
Oh yeah, good one. You stink so bad. You stink so bad that when you take showers for days, you still be stinking. Okay, so we're back and we're doing some more roasting things.
We're doing rusty fart things.
Okay, sorry guys. You know he got a little bit of bad mouth. But yeah.
Keep forgetting.
Oh, you should say you're uglier than a person who got scarred by a fire.
What about you're uglier than a tiger, white tiger, lion, and a cheetah put together?
Or you're so ugly that when you die, you got beat down so much that when you
died, you still have scars for
yeah.
life. For life.
You're so ugly that when you die, nobody wants to come to your funeral. You're so ugly, nobody will ever want to see you ever again, you ugly. Okay, that was going to keep pausing real quick. Your headline is quicker than a Nike song.
Okay, guys, that's the end of this video.
No.
See ya.